much for clicking on this video. Last week I didn't bring you any videos because I had what I call creator fails. I had a problem with ice cubes that I ordered. I was trying to order more for what I needed and the wrong size kept coming. As you can see, I have 3 different sizes here. I was trying to order this size to go with a project that I was making, but got this size. Then I ended up with 90 of these and had to try to figure out what I was going to do with these. I could have sent them back, but it's too much of a hassle, and I'm a creator, and I figured I could do something with it. So then I decided, okay, I'm going to make some mirror coasters using these. I had 4 coasters, 90 cubes, and guess what happened? I was 4 cubes short. Yes, 4 cubes short. I went back on Temu and they were out of stock. So I had to come up with a solution. Today I'm going to share with you the solution that I came up with to get those coasters made, and the other project will be coming later this week. I also need your help with something. I purchased this beautiful vase 2 years ago from Ross, $6.99, and I still haven't done anything with it because I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with it. This is one of them buys that you see, that you fall in love with and you just gotta have, and 2 years later I haven't done anything with it. So guys, if you all have any type of suggestions on what I can do with this vase, besides send it to you, I want to keep my vase. Go ahead and write those suggestions for me in the comments section. Thank you so much. Let's get into this video. How about taking one of the bigger cubes and putting one on each end? I think that'll work. I'm working on the ice cube coasters, and I'm using some Fix All adhesive, and what I normally do is I put the glue on them and let it sit for 10 minutes, and I also put some glue a little bit on the mirror, and that makes a better hold. So let me go ahead and put the glue on the ice cubes, and I'll be right back. And next we're just going to take our ice cubes and set them on the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest off camera, or most of it, and I'll be right back, guys. So far, that's how that's looking. But as a creator, we make it work somehow. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other 3 off camera, let these dry, and come back and show you how they look. And this is how it turned out, guys. I like that. Something quick and easy that I can use in a table setting or on my board cart. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use these in a tablescape. Thank you all so much for watching, and you have a blessed day.